Scarlette Douglas has been defended by her A Place in the Sun co-star Leah Charles King following her conversation with Boy George about his conviction last night. The presenter said her co-star Scarlette was simply asking what everyone's thinking after the Culture Club star branded the chat inappropriate. While doing chores in the jungle, the 34-year-old property expert told George she didn't know the full story, but that she had heard he was involved with some guy in handcuffs and a radiator. He immediately insisted it was not true, adding, "It's not true, no radiators." Scarlette replied, "Oh, just handcuffs," which prompted the singer to add, "But the radiator bit wasn't true, but thanks for bringing it up." She went on to say, "Sorry, it wouldn't surprise me if that was a fake story." Baywatch's Donna DeRico, 54, poses up as Storm in sultry underwear. He explained, "Sometimes these things, they go into the ether, and people keep saying them and they become folklore." George added that if it was true, he wouldn't be working now. She chimed in, "I don't even know what the full story was, I just remember hearing handcuffs and radiator." Boy George replied, "Good job, I know what the full story was. The best way to explain my thing, Scarlette, if I beat someone up there would be photographs. And there were none, because it didn't happen. So when you beat someone up, the first thing the police do is take a photograph and they show them in court. There were no photos because I didn't do that. But I did do one thing. I did handcuff him, yeah. Because I'd handcuffed the guy I'd already assaulted him. So, when I said I did it, I thought, I'll tell the truth, they'll let me go home. I went to prison for 4 months. I was on tag for 4 months as well." He added, "Do you know what, people in prison were amazing to me. They loved me." In the Bush Telegraph after their chat, the Culture Club star fumed it was inappropriate for her to bring up the story. Ant McPartlin threatens to walk from him a celeb as he rages at fans. Watch Jeremy Clarkson being sued after farm trespasser gets stuck, revealed Michelle Keegan sizzles in nude bikini during lavish holiday with Mark. Pictured, he said, "Scarlette blatantly talked about my court case. I thought it was inappropriate what she did, actually. I thought she shouldn't have said what she said to me. And I thought I handled it really well, as it's a big sore point for me when people say things like that." The Karma Chameleon hitmaker was jailed in 2009 over the attack on Audun Carlson. He was ordered to serve 15 months but was given an early release after 4 months. A spokesperson for George said the incident happened during a psychotic break 15 years ago whilst in the midst of a well-documented drug problem. Not only has he been a pillar of society ever since, but he also remains sober to this day. He apologized publicly on Piers Morgan's Life Stories 4 years ago, and we are very proud of him for his rehabilitation. "I'm a celebrity. Get me out of here" continues tonight at 9 p.m. on ITV.